Welcome to the Cardinal Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
Good morning. I'm here with Dr. Deborah Flomenhoft, and she gave an excellent lecture to primary care about inflammatory bowel disease and how primary care doctors can help manage these patients in the office. Deb?
Hi, inflammatory bowel disease certainly is a disease that we think of as affecting primarily the bowel, but it creates an inflammatory milieu that has important implications for the patient's overall health. Patients have an increased risk of heart disease, they have an increased risk of metabolic-associated liver disease, they seem to possibly have an increased risk of liver fibrosis. There are an increasing number of medications available that primary care doctors may feel uncomfortable prescribing because of GI side effects, but these are in fact safe and important to the care of our patients. Our patients also have increased psychiatric disease, sleep disorders, and musculoskeletal diseases related to the inflammatory milieu that their inflammatory bowel disease creates. These also can be well managed by the primary care provider.
Thank you very much for helping us understand a little bit more how we can help these patients with inflammatory bowel disease.
Thank you.